Hello, welcome our GearResearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best waterless car wash spray that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Car Wash Spray. With an advanced polymer formula, Meguiar's product aims to provide your vehicle with elevated protection that lasts for a long time and does a good job at it. It comes in a large bottle that won't run out after a week's worth of use. This dry car wash and wax also features a high lubricity formula, which makes it easier to use and leaves a lasting shine and gloss on your vehicle's surface. In other words, you'll be driving your car around in pride. You can even use it on wheels, glass, and rubber, making it an extra versatile option. However, users report that this product can leave a haze on windshields, so be careful when working with it around that area. This company recommends you use their microfiber cloths along with the spray, but that's not really a necessity. Truth be told, as long as you're using a similar cloth of high quality, you should be just fine. After you've applied the spray, wipe it off with your microfiber cloth to get the best results. This product is specially formulated to not leave scratches on any surface areas. The wax in the formula can last for weeks at a time through a variety of different weather conditions, which gives you greater value overall. It's safe for glossy paints with clear coat finishes, polished metals and even plastic trim as well. This product is ideal for a car that's already clean. Some other waterless car wash products will be tougher on dirt, bugs and other sticky surface dirt and grime. Number 2, Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax. This waterless car wash and wax kit from EcoSmart is a great deal and provides you with everything you might need for cleaning your car without using a hose or a bucket of water. The industrial strength wash and wax kit includes a 144 ounces waterless wash, which is good for up to 36 uses, and also includes a 16 ounces spray bottle, 4 microfiber towels and a helpful how-to guide. It's also biodegradable and won't irritate your eyes or skin. EcoSmart says the wash is appropriate for RVs, motorcycles and boats, in addition to cars. Adam's Waterless Car Wash is an eco-friendly waterless car wash product that uses an advanced blend of emulsifiers and wetting agents that encapsulate the dirt particles, making it easy to clean and shine. It is easy to use as all it requires is to spray onto your car and make use of its towels that it comes with to wipe it clean. These towels are quite effective as they would lift off the dirt from your car, and the combination of this towel and this wash product makes this product very effective and reliable. This wash can be used on both wet and dry surfaces, so if your car has been heavily stained under the rain or you need to wipe your wipers clean, then this is just the product for you. Number 3, Flowgenix Waterless Car Wash Spray. The Flowgenix Grand Finale Waterless Car Wash Shine and Shield has been reviewed by over 3,500 car enthusiasts, and 70% of them have given this product an unapologetic 5-star review. Let's look into the reasons why and what the other 30% of the customers had to say about this item, as well as what it did for us when we tested it. First of all, this product has rightfully earned its position amongst the best 6 waterless car wash products, considering how quick and easy it is to use. Wiping my vehicle with this solution was incredibly easy and straightforward. Apart from this, it's also an eco-friendly waterless car wash solution that doesn't use any sticky or harmful solvents. It being primarily water-based, it doesn't cause any irritation to the skin or eyes. One bottle of the Flowgenix Grand Finale solution will be enough to clean a decently dusty car and repel water from its surface. This is also great for motorcycles, as it leaves the bike looking as if it just left the showroom. The only concern I noticed with this item is that the spray nozzle may not have optimum functionality. Several customers have also claimed the spraying area is wider than necessary, causing you to lose valuable liquid. Others mention the nozzle only sprays an insufficient amount of liquid, which may result in micro scratches. In order to solve this issue and get optimum waterless car wash results, you can easily just buy a greater quantity of the Flowgenix liquid and use it in your own bottle with a nozzle that suits your needs best. Number 4, Chemical Guys Wax 707 RU16 EcoSmart Car Wash. Chemical Guys is a big name in the vehicle maintenance world, so it shouldn't come as any surprise that they also make a top-notch waterless car wash product. The best thing about this formula is how eco-friendly it is. You're already saving water by using something like this, so why not take it a step further and use all natural ingredients? This wash product uses carnauba wax, which is not only good for the environment but also great for your car. To top it off, it also offers long-lasting protection. The high-gloss formula also helps you achieve a much shinier look once you're done washing your car. It's also safe for any color, meaning you'll avoid any pesky streaks on dark-colored paint. Black car? No worries. One word of caution, though. The spray bottle itself might give you some problems, with some people having experienced leaks and cracks leading to a loss of product. This doesn't always happen, though, but is definitely worth keeping in mind if you decide to go with this product. This Chemical Guy's waterless car wash is perfect for anyone who wants a product that's more environmentally safe than others while still achieving long-lasting protection and not cutting down on effectiveness. The natural carnauba wax is great for all colors and vehicle surfaces as well. If you're looking for something that's both safe and reliable, you'll definitely want to give this option a consideration. Number 5. Adams Waterless Wash, 16 ounces, Car Cleaning Car Wash Spray. This product has been made with extra surfactants and lubricants to better get rid of dirt and grime without the need for water. It also uses emulsifiers and special wetting agents to capture the dirt more efficiently. It comes in a 16-ounce spray bottle, but you can purchase it in other sizes if you'd prefer, depending on your needs. There's an interesting blue color to the liquid, but it has a pleasant tropical smell, so you're not overwhelmed with harsh chemical scents. Another notable benefit is that it can help prolong the life of your previous sealant or wax because it's less invasive than other cleaning methods. Unfortunately, though, this spray doesn't contain any wax to protect your vehicle. If you're looking for an additional level of protection, you'll need to wax your vehicle separately or look for a product that has wax as part of its formula. It still provides a superb wash for all of your vehicle cleaning needs. Thanks to the extra slick formula with special ingredients, you can achieve a comprehensive clean in a minimal amount of time. For those of you who can't clean your car with water and need something more accessible, then this is a product you should definitely consider. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.